Hello and welcome to the Dream Smart Home Buyer Edition. My name is Mike Akins and today I'm here with Woodstock Custom Homes. Nick, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much for having us.
Bob, good to have you here as well.
Hi Mike, thank you.
Tell me what it means to you to be a true custom home builder.
Well, we get to help people achieve their dreams in creating a house personally designed for them.
And I think you've done just that with this home. Coming up to this home, I couldn't help but notice the stunning curb appeal. What was this homeowner looking for in this home?
Well, in the neighborhood we're in, each home is unique and has an authentic architectural style. And they were trying to replicate a Tudor-style home from an older neighborhood in the Indianapolis area, the Meridian-Kessler area. So we tried to do the same type of brick and trim work and front elevation as an older Tudor-style home.
And I think that feel really comes inside the home as well. Tell me about some of the features we have in the entryway of this home.
Well, as you walk in the front door, you notice the trim work, the wood trim work. There are columns with arches that give the home a lot of character.
And I noticed some very special features that the homeowner wanted to involve. Tell me a little bit about some of the things they brought to the table.
Well, in one case, they had a set of antique glass doors for the den, and we were able to custom fit those to be used in the home. There were window styles that they had that they liked that were a diamond grid or arched windows that were unique to a Tudor-style home. They had a lot of ideas. They knew what they wanted in the house, and they were a joy to work with.
Gomez Painting is one of the best painting contractors in the Indianapolis area. Committed to customer service, the professional painters at Gomez Painting are experienced and prepared to take on any size job. 371-777-9150. When looking to enhance the envelope of your home, be sure to call on the experts at Energy Management Systems. At Energy Management Systems, they understand the importance of insulation and are trained to install both spray foam and bad insulation. Call today.
When we started out, we took a basic plan that Bob had worked on for us, and then we had been saving some ideas on different features and aspects that we wanted, and so he incorporated them in, not only at the beginning, but as we went along, he was really good about, as part of the process, if we found a little tweak we wanted to make, doing that. And then under Nick was managing and was really good about keeping us up to date, giving us heads up on when choices, color selections were due, for whether it was for the paint colors or for the granite, for wood selections. So that was really helpful that we had a schedule ahead of time and knew when things were due and when we had to make our choices.
The schedule was laid out in front of us, and we knew what to expect when. You know, sometimes there's, in any big construction project or home construction, you know, some things go faster, some things go slower, but having the overall schedule was nice to have. And Nick in particular kept us up to date when we needed to do something. And then when we decided to make a change order, it was well documented, you know, how much it was going to cost, and then we would, you know, most of the time we said yes, go ahead. A couple of times we said, well, maybe not, you know. And so I thought that was all very helpful, getting us to this nice house, wonderful house that we have.
We were so pleased with the process, and they really did help us get to our dream home. And I know that I've talked to a couple of individuals that I know and have highly recommended Bob because of how that they work so well with you, and they really try to get at what your needs are and work within your budget and time constraints.
Yeah, I would definitely recommend Bob and Woodstock and Nick. They did a great job. I can't say it more than that. And again, you know, he helped us stay within our budget, and yet we still got the house of our dreams. So highly recommend them.
Yep.
When builders and homeowners are in need of top quality interior doors, molding, and hardware, they turn to D&D Moldings. Along with great products, D&D Molding is dedicated to customer service and is ready to serve you. 317-770-5500. All Seasons Heating and Air Conditioning understands the importance of your home's air quality and comfort. That is why they have a team of trained technicians prepared to service or install any HVAC system. Call All Seasons Heating and Air Conditioning today, 317-426-3957.
And Nick, coming in from the entryway of this home, I notice we have quite an open concept. We do a lot of our living inside the kitchen. and in this main living space. Tell me about what the homeowner was looking for.
Yes, as Bob mentioned, we are blessed to have a great decorator on staff at Woodstock, and they have helped our homeowners to pick out very nice wood dovetailed soft close cabinetry. The granites are all picked in a warehouse where you see your actual slab of granite. So the name may be the same, but you get to pick your actual slab because each granite piece is natural and has its own flow. So we bring all that together with the homeowner's major input to make a happy homeowner. Going with that Meridian Kessler antique look, the homeowner has chosen a 5-inch wide flooring that's made from hickory, and it shows a lot of the wood grain in hickory as opposed to some of the other woods, and it goes very well with the flow. It has a darker stain on it, and it looks really nice in this particular home.
And I think that flooring really ties everything together. Tell me what someone can expect and some of the features that we have here in this kitchen.
Well, in the kitchen, the appliances are GE appliances. Granite tops, and granite tops are pretty much standard in any of the homes that we work on. There's under cabinet lighting is included. Custom backsplash is installed as well. These cabinets were custom designed around their wishes, so they have glass panel doors, dovetail drawers, soft close, so all of the latest things that people like in their kitchens.
And again, along with that open concept, I know that outdoor living is very popular today, and this opens itself up right to that outdoor living space. Tell me a little bit about that.
As we go outside, we've done several different things. We have exposed aggregate concrete for the patio and the rear porch, and we have put in an outdoor gas fireplace that's stainless steel. And then the homeowners have picked out an old barn beam from an old Indiana barn that we've put up above the fireplace for a mantle. And it just, it's a really nice place to hang out in the summertime and spring and fall.
And it sounds like, again, you've really listened to your clients and taken a lot of their dreams and ideas into those spaces. Tell me about the master suite and some of the ideas they brought into that as well.
Inside the master bathroom, they've done a marble floor and used that same marble on the shower walls. They've got a very nice marble countertop, and they have 2 separate vanities, which is also what more homeowners are looking for, kind of have their own space in the bathroom. And they've also done some really nice mirrors and sconces on each side of those mirrors that brings that bathroom together. Looks very nice.
I think you've done a wonderful job on this home.
For over 30 years, ADS Incorporated has been providing Central Indiana with the best in custom, semi-custom, and stock cabinetry. The knowledgeable staff at ADS Incorporated has the experience to help guide you through every step of the process, from start to finish. For the last 18 years, Midwest Drywall has been providing their clients quality craftsmanship that is second to none. Whether you are building new construction or remodeling, let the team at Midwest Drywall help you with your next project. 317-989-3441.
We toured this neighborhood quite a few times, drove around, looked at things, and went to the office one day, and there's Bob. So he was very informative and low-key, explained what this area is all about, and didn't mention that he and Nick were building houses. He said, I'm a design guy, and I've got all kinds of designs that I can show you someday. And so we worked on this actually for 3 or 4 years.
Bob showed us some samples of houses he had, and then asked us what we wanted in a house. And he was really good about making notes and putting things in. The next time we'd meet with him, he'd have all the things we had talked about put in the plans, and it was smooth.
At Chisholm Millwork, we are stocked and prepared to supply you with a wide range of quality building products for any size project. Since 1981, Chisholm Millwork has been providing Indiana's local contractors and do-it-yourselfers everything from rough lumber and siding to windows and doors that will be sure to add beauty and value to your home. Stop by Chisholm Millworks showroom or give them a call today and experience all that they have to offer you on your next project. 317-547-3535.
I know it can be quite a daunting task for somebody looking to build a custom home and their dream home. Bring me through a little bit of your process and what they can expect from start to finish.
Well, it's exciting to work with each person. They have an idea of what they would like, but not quite sure how to get there. And we kind of guide them through that process. There's a lot of trust involved that you're going to help them achieve their goal. So they'll explain what they're trying to get. They'll have a budget. We'll have a specific lot to work with, and we'll supply several floor plans to consider as a starting point. We'll select one and take that floor plan and redesign it and personalize it so it's exactly what they're trying to put together. It's their house. I mean, they design, we go through every room, make sure furniture fits, make sure it's the way they're going to use their house.
And Bob, I know you work very closely with Nick on that entire process. Share with me a little bit about your relationship.
Well, Nick and I met about 5 years ago in this neighborhood, and he was building homes and I was working with people that were buying lots and actually helping them design their homes. And we had an opportunity to build a house together, and we did. We built one, and the process was really enjoyable. Nick's communication skills with the customer is like nothing I've ever seen. I mean, if they have a concern during the construction process, they email or text Nick, and he responds to them immediately. And if there's an issue, he sets an appointment, goes to the house with them. Communication is key.
Well, I think it's fantastic that you two partnered up together. If somebody did want to get in touch with Woodstock Custom Homes, what would be the best way for them to do that?
We have a very effective website that shows our current and past projects. We have interior photos, and interior and exterior photos, videos in most cases, so they can see the type of home we're building, the interior trim, and our contact information is on the website, so that's really the best way to meet us.
I want to thank you both so much for being on the show with us today. Nick, thanks so much.
Thank you very much, Mike.
Bob, it was our pleasure.
Thanks, Mike.